CNC Travel coming at you.
Follow us and create your dreams.
Let's go.
We are now at the port.
Yeah. Jubilee? Yeah.
People are coming.
Y'all need help? Yeah. Checking in then, I'm assuming?
Checking in.
People are leaving.
Passports, all good about it?
Yep, we got it all here. Say hey, yeah, I'm live. You know, gotta advertise for y'all. You too. Yeah, we got time. This porter knows.
Oh, you get used to it around here.
Oh, I know. And here we are. We are not going to be in this line. This is the check-in line. We are lucky. We're going to be in a different line. Thank you. We're right here. Can we go in?
At the back of the line, it's going to take a while. You're going to move pretty fast, okay? So wheels that way, boarding pass all.
Suites, Platinum, Premier, and then faster to the fun. That will be followed by Group A1 and all subsequent groups. We do ask that you please remain seated until you hear your assigned boarding category or your boarding group called, so that we can keep our boarding area clear and organized. Also, we do need you to have that boarding pass in your hand to present to our Easy Board agents. Thanks for your attention. We'll begin boarding shortly. Thank you.
We are boarding.
Folks, we need to see those boarding passes out. Some of you don't have them out. You must have them in your hand, please. Boarding passes out, and everybody hold their phone. Also, please stay with your tab and we'll check your on cabin.
Thank you. Won't be long. Yay. Two. How you doing?
Please tell me your full name.
Claudia. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Here comes the long walk. We call this a long walk. Where you at? Come. You can see the cruise ship on the left. You got your boarding pass? It's actually air conditioned. One more turn.
8 more turns.
Few more steps and we will be on a ship. We are officially on the ship. So, how you doing? Okay, now we're going to find our muster station. Yeah. We gotta go up. 8, C8 it's on the 8th floor. So guys, this is the Jubilee Grand Central. C8. Yeah.
Okay.
2 decks up.
2 decks up. Okay.
Morning.
How you doing?
Y'all ready again?
Travel coming at you.
Follow us and create your dreams.